caterpillar can increase of its body weight over 1000 times in a few weeks. It eats leaves daily more than of its own body weight. Caterpillar shed their own skins many times as they grow, and it's called molting. Caterpillar looks like bird's poop or snakes to avoid the predators. Caterpillar have more muscles than humans, which help them to move like waves. Some caterpillars may be poisonous or toxins because they get toxins from the plants. When it becomes a butterfly, the caterpillar body feel like a liquid. This tiny eating machine fully dissolve when it becomes reborn. The caterpillar main job is just one thing, to eat and grow fast. Some caterpillars have fake eyes to use it for predators to run from them and use it as a camouflage. Caterpillar body have some imaginal cells which later becomes growing into wings, legs and eyes. Some species of caterpillar are highly alert. When they become vibrate, they can suddenly static when they feel something like birds or other predators. One of the most epic factual information about caterpillar is they sometimes communicate with some ants to give them a protection, and they give some sugary secretion. This is very unique behavior I have ever saw, read or noticed. We can say they eat unlimited leaves which can defoliate the plants and trees if there are a large number of caterpillars on these trees. They don't breathe like humans or other animals. They breathe through spiracles, which are tiny holes on his body. They doesn't just eat and grow fast. They become destroy and converted into a new butterfly. The butterfly is one of the most beautiful creatures on earth. Protect wildlife and nature. Subscribe, like and share.